Okay guys, how are y'all doing today? So today we'll be changing our intake valves on this '06 Kawasaki KX250f cylinder head. So as you can see on this valve here guys, we got a few chips, and whenever we do a leak down test or a water test, we have a leakage from both our intake valves. So to remove the valves guys, we need our valve compressor tool, and we'll just select this head which will sit on the valve here, and then we will compress the spring, remove the valve collets, and then we can remove our valve and install our new valves guys. We'll also be changing our springs, as this cylinder head they use titanium valves for the intake, and we'll be changing them out for steel valves. So we have to change the spring to compensate for the extra strengths and the compression that the valves will be under. So here are our valves. So we need our valves, our valve compressing tool, some valve grinding compound, and our lapping tool guys. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so this is how you want your compressor tool sitting on your valve, and you want to make sure that you leave enough room on this side so that we can compress the springs. So let's go ahead and get that done guys. So our magnet will come in handy when we get this compressed. We'll just reach in with our magnet and remove the collets or the keepers guys. So here they are. So now we can decompress the spring, and then we can remove our valve. So that's how you remove your valves guys. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks to all our viewers. Thanks to all our subscribers. Y'all are greatly appreciated. So this is how we go now guys. We just take our valve keeper here out, our valve guide, our spring, and then we can just go ahead and push our valve out. So that is it guys. That's how you remove your valves. So please remember guys to like, share, and subscribe. Today we'll be lapping our intake valves on our '06 KX250f, and this can be done on any model 4-stroke engine guys. So to do that, we'll need our lapping tool, our valve grinding compound, our valve, and in this case we'll be installing new valve springs. Okay, so here's our valve, and next we'll need to put some valve grinding compound on that guys. So we just want to run that around where the valve will sit. So we just want to get a nice even coat around that, guys. You don't want any of that going on your valve stem, guys. And we also can put some oil on our valve stem so that it will rotate freely when we put it back in our guide. Okay guys, now we have our grease on our lapping tool. We can go ahead and set it on our valve, and that will help it to create that suction that we need. And then we'll just lightly rotate it in the palms of our hands, guys, like that. And we lift it every so often. And you want to do this until you don't hear any grinding. It smooths out, guys. I'll catch you guys when I'm done with this, guys. Okay guys, so now we can go ahead and remove our valve and clean up our seat and our valve face, and make sure we have a uniform ring around the valve and the seat, guys. You don't want to spray directly into the valve face, guys. You don't want to do that. You just want to get some carb cleaner on a rag and wipe everything out. Make sure that nothing is left back in. So just get everything cleaned up, guys. And then we can go ahead and clean our valve face off, guys. If you look, you can see we have a uniform ring around it, guys. So this valve should seat properly. So that's how you lap your valve, guys. I will go ahead and lap this other intake valve, and I'll see y'all when I get the engine back together. All being well, we should have no leaking, or I'll just show you guys the water test when I'm done. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Okay guys, so after lapping these valves, I noticed that we still have a glitch right here. There's a burr in the valve seat, so it's not allowing the valve to seat properly. So I'm gonna just relap that one and hopefully we can get it to seat properly. But this one is good, this one isn't leaking. So just a quick update, guys. So I will see what I can do about that. Okay guys, here are the final results. As you can see, we don't have much of a leak. We have a slight leak from the right intake valve, but I don't think that should cause much great loss of compression. So I'm gonna just put it back together and test my compression and do a leak down test and see where I go from there, guys. Thanks again for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks to all our viewers. Thanks to all our subscribers. You all are greatly appreciated. God bless. You all have a great evening. Thank you.